Hi, it's Adam Haining here from Floor Masters, and today we're working at Team Kiwi Racing, and Dave's heckling me in the background. I'll start again without any hecklers. Hi, it's Adam Haining here from Floor Masters, and today we're here at Team Kiwi Racing, and we're just going to do some work in their workshop and run through and we'll have a look at what we're doing. We're working in these areas here. Got an old paint that's starting to peel off. It's had some rough prep in the past. Going to hit it up with our remote control grinder. Work around these hoists with some holes that need to be filled up. As you can see, it's had multiple layers of paint from where it was previously a workshop. So this is going to be a workshop area here. It's going to wait for some cars and stuff to get moved out. Some cases and bits and pieces need to be filled. There's a big hole here where there's a brake tester that's getting filled up. It's got started to be filled up. It hasn't been finished yet. And this is what happens when you crash a race car. And this is what happens when you use a single head grinder and leave it sitting in the same place. We've got a fitting in here. So we'll have to grind all this paint off, clean up the surface. So we're going to do a metallic epoxy through this area here, and we're going to do our flake over in the workshop area. So yeah, bit of tidying up to do, a lot of prep to do. We're going to put down a moisture barrier and get stuck into it. So yeah, watch the video, come along for the journey and see what we do. Thanks for watching. This is our three-phase grinder, so remote control. So I'll give you a bit of a look underneath it. We've got 4 heads here, and we're just about to change the diamonds. Going to run these 30 mediums just to cut through this paint and prepare the surface for coating. Alright, we're just getting a race car out of the way. And try and put it on some trolleys and get it out. This is the wrecked Paul Radisich car. Did 2 races and ended up in this state. So yeah, just going to jack that up and move it out. But this area through here is going to be the performance parts area and the delivery area. We've given this part a bit of a grind yesterday, taken off about 5 layers of paint, and went around the car. We're filling up the joints, some heap of holes, running that grinder across here, and we got through here, and there's a couple of workshop bays going in here, detailing bay. So we're going to do a flake floor through here, and we're going to put a logo in the entry of the floor. One of the things we discovered with this floor was it's got iron filings troweled into the surface, which made it a lot of fun to grind. And but yeah, we're getting the prep done. We'll get a moisture barrier down, get some flake on, and some polyaspartic clear coat on top of that. And so yeah, stay watching for what we get done here. Okay, so we've got our prep done here, and ground over the floor, taken off about 5 or 6 layers of paint. A few little residues here and there, but yeah, we're just going to start putting the moisture barrier down, and this will deal with any moisture in the concrete slab, stop it pushing the coating off. So starting to spread that out on the floor. Yeah, g'day, it's day 3 here, and we're still working at TKR, and just want to give you a look at the floor. We've put down the moisture barrier, and we're about to put down the flake through the workshop area. But this is the floor with the moisture barrier down. We've given it a bit of a tidy up, scratched off a few lumps and bits and pieces. So yeah, about to make the magic happen. Alright, so we got some logos on the floor, and we're about to put our last coat of resin over our flake system. So this is Sparta-Flake, granite is the colour, so it's black, grey and white on a grey base, and yeah, it just takes a floor from looking ordinary to looking pretty awesome. We're going to get this moisture barrier done down here and do a metallic epoxy finish here tomorrow. So it's going to look pretty awesome.